It's only water. It's a
Is it
prank.
water?
It's a prank. We're just filming a prank, so we've got our camera crew over here, and yeah, this is only water. It's only water.
I know.
Classic. Good, and yourself?
My name's Sergeant Lard, I'm from Seven. I know a couple of other fellas spoke to you before just to
Yes.
get the prank and have a bit of fun. Unfortunately, there has been a complaint made in relation to what you're doing.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just now, guys just grabbed us up there and shown us video of him videoing you. Like, seen it, and he says he was quite upset about it and wanted to come down.
It's only water. Have a feel of that. It's only water.
Don't screw me again because I don't know that it's water. You're telling me it is. I don't know what it is. Please don't do that again to me.
Oh, yeah, okay. No,
I'd like
that's
you to
all right.
produce some ID for me if you wouldn't mind, please, sir.
I don't have my wallet on me.
Okay, no worries. Have you got a contact number at all? You happy to give me?
Not on me, bro. Sorry.
No, you don't have a mobile number at all?
Yeah, I don't know what.
Okay. What's your Facebook page?
RAH
Yeah.
space TV.
Okay. Oh, mate, as I say, we don't want to make a big deal of it. When
Go and have a bit of a laugh. Go and show the board. Wrap it up for today.
Mate, I appreciate your help. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate cooperation.
See you later, mate. See you later.
Today go, right?
Yeah, today was pretty good, brother. Fucking yeah, we got a lot of good reactions. I almost got a bit of a snap from this little Asian girl, but hey, she understood that it was only a prank. So yeah, thank you to everyone for watching, and yeah, stay tuned for part 4.